Hi, I'm Candy Shaw, founder and creator of Sunlight's Professional, here to introduce to you my new bundle, the Sunlight Sampler. I have personally curated this exclusive tote filled with my go-to favorites and Sunlight's products, the very ones that I use at the chair at my 50-chair salon. This collection is designed to elevate your back bar, boost your retail sales, and give your guests the ultimate Sunlight's experience. Let's dive in. First, I have my 12 ounces of rosé shampoo and blush conditioner. Made with rosehip and pomegranate, this lightweight, luxurious daily duo helps to fight frizz, enhances natural texture, and nourishes both your hair and your scalp. Next up, we have our violet and blue toning shampoos, the perfect at-home solution for guests looking to extend their salon fresh hair color. These shampoos brighten and enhance vibrancy without drying or over-pigmenting your hair. Then, my personal favorite, a 32-ounce bottle of Violet Professional Toning Shampoo. This shampoo is a back bar essential, going to give you an amazing professional level of pigmenting the hair, keeping blondes bright and brass-free without drying out the hair. You really won't believe what this product can do. And like any good stylist at the chair, you need your heroes. First up, I have Body Volumizing Mist. You will love this product because it doesn't weight the hair down, but it gives the hair the texture it needs to add volume. Next, I have my personal favorite, Shape. Shape's contouring cream provides flexibility and moldability into the hair while you smooth and separate your curls and define your layers. I promise you the microfibers in this product are a game changer. And last but certainly not least is our salon favorite and Sunlight's Professional biggest seller, and that is our Seal Anti-Frizz Serum. This product smooths your flyaways, defines your texture, and gives you just that perfect amount of control. I know Seal is always in my kit wherever I go. Trust me, you want to get yours today. This thoughtfully curated bundle of all of my personal favorites will help maximize the results for every hair type as you're working at the chair, while driving significant profits down to your bottom line in your salon. Plus, the Sunlight Sampler is priced at a tremendous value, making it easier than ever to experience the Sunlight's difference.